Kia ora. And here I am beaming in from Aotearoa, New Zealand. We're so lucky. We've got so many trees, we've got so much vegetation. I mean, come on, Mother Nature's going to feed us. So today we're going to take these from that tree and we're going to make jam. Let's do it. So here's a tree in my friend's backyard with some plums, as you can see. They're pretty ripe, if not overripe. So I kind of noticed them there and thought, well, let's do something. Let's collect them. So I've got this tray here and just start gathering them because they're all sort of ready. Oops, see, they're all dropping around. So I better be careful and try and catch them. Which is why I've got this large tray. For that was the idea. See, they're dropping into that. So these are kind of quite sort of leathery in appearance, and I think that's because they're sort of overripe at this point. So they definitely, you can definitely use them for something. So I'll just keep gathering these and look at that. Look at that bunch there. Oh, yum, 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 yum. And I mean, you can kind of eat these the way they are. But, as I say, the purpose is to try a recipe which is basically, you know, putting them in a pot with water and sugar. And, oh, look, there's some more there. Drop down. So, as you can see, look at that. They're a bit crinkled, don't know if you can see that in the video, but you know, again, these are like leftovers. There's still plenty on the tree. For such a raggedy looking tree, it really does give a lot of fruit. So let's take it in and go to phase 2. Beautiful. Straight off the tree, they've been washed. Now we're going to cut, dice and de-pip them.
Why did you choose my way? Why did you come down this lonely street? Was it to meet me?
So, all that's been diced up, and I've got red plum fingers, but check that out. There's all the flesh, and it's been de-pipped. So now, next phase, we're going to add sugar and water. Let's do it.
Yeah.
So, I've just added a glass of this, Pinot Noir, compliments of this guy. Says Pinot Noir, Bula Vinaka.
Oh, you're on there?
Yep, and I've added 2 glasses of water in this size here, so it's about a handful. And there you go, it's on the heat. So, let's watch it. See, it's a bit chunky, so we're going to put this in the Nutri-Bullet to grind it down. So there's the sauce, or jam, or whatever we want to call it. Oh, look at that, getting runny now. So after Nutri-Bulleting some of the thicker pieces, pouring it back in as kind of refined, mashed up plum, added to the mix, and now we've kind of got this, which is kind of like you know, a bit of thickness and a bit of the runny stuff. So hopefully, when we're done, when it cools down, we'll have a good consistency with chunks, because I don't mind a few chunks in this. So yeah, looking good.
I think it's time that I change my view.
In the fridge. So we're testing to see how fluid it is. It's a bit runny, but this bit here is like not too bad, so tastes good. Check it out. And that's a wrap. Later.
I think it's time that I change my view.